guys, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I posted once again. Life got in the way. But I swear I'm trying to get into the rhythm, the groove of things. So I decided to film today. And I decided to do my classic Uraraka makeup look, which is something that I've renewed. The old video that I have up, I no longer use those products, or I just don't use the technique anymore. The wig is definitely different, and it has made a heck of a lot difference. And yeah, this is what my TikTok look is usually, has been for about a year now since I changed it, and I absolutely love it. I think it looks so much better, and I just keep improving, so might as well thought I'd update you guys on that. If you don't follow me on TikTok, make sure to follow me. It's at @daikon_underscore cosplays with a K. The link will be down in the description anyways if you do want to follow me. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm apologizing in advance. My voice sounds a little weird. I am a little sick right now, but I am getting better. I decided to do my brows quickly on camera just so you could see. I just used a random eyeshadow that I have, and now going in, blending out my foundation with my favorite foundation brush, but I still like to go over it with the beauty blender just in case. Now I'm adding this lighter foundation shade just because I don't feel like using concealer for this very sort of light look, so just adding that to brighten the under eyes and add more coverage. You know, set it and forget it, except this time I want to keep the dewiness of the skin mostly, so I'm only setting the under eyes and the nose area. Now going in with this shade to bronze my skin a little, give it a little bit more warmth. I like to go over all my powders with my beauty blender just to make sure it all blends nicely, and then now taking my contour in the deepest part of the socket just to keep it a little bit more natural.
I just want you to be happy.
Off camera I did some baking, and now I'm adding this peachy shade into the outer part of my eye. I do want to focus the color more just on the outer edge and not really bringing it into the crease, only bringing it in just a little in the crease, and then although it doesn't look like a clean blending brush, trust me, it is clean, and taking that to blend it out and diffuse the edges just a little bit more, using nice circular motions.
Please don't guarantee your joy. Nothing's wrong with crying every day. It just started within the world.
Blending, and layering is absolutely key for this look. You want it to look subtle, yet there. And now I'm adding that same shade right under that bottom lash line, only trying to go not all the way, but I kind of decided to bring it all the way, just to add a little bit more drama. And I'm taking this glitter on the inner portion of my eye very lightly, just to add a little something onto the eye. Using the House Lab eyeliner, oh my gods, I love this eyeliner so much. It is so good. I usually never spend a lot of money on liner, or I usually just stick to the Wet n Wild one, but this one has me hooked, and I am buying it and buying it. I can't stop. Now using the white pencil to make sure that my eyes look a little bit bigger, and some lashes for the drama mama. Using this Wet n Wild highlighter that really packs up punch. It is beautiful, and for the price, you honestly can't beat it. It's one of my favorite highlighters, and it's this beautiful pinky light shade from the Horoscope collection. Call me hype maintenance, but I do use two blushes for my Uraraka look. This one is a bit more warmer, kind of to still sculpt the face, and then I use my really bright, nice, beautiful pink one that has a bit of sheen to it, and I really pack that on in the center to give her rosy cheeks, and then on the tip of the nose because it's so cute. She's not called Pink Chinks for no reason, so I definitely had to go in. And I'm using some sweating spray to bring the skin back to skin. You cannot beat Wet n Wild's highlighters for their incredibly low price. They're so good, and I absolutely love them. Now using this lip lipstick just in the center of my lips, and then buffing it out lightly to make my lips look a little smaller. And using these glosses from ASAP Cosmetics, they're so good. I love to put them in little containers, and just, oh, they're so good and shiny and not sticky at all. So that, guys, completes my makeup look for my updated Uraraka. I definitely feel so much better and much more confident in her with the new wig, the new look. For a lot of us, this isn't new. I've been doing this style for about a year now, and I absolutely love it, and I think it's so amazing and cute. I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and if you do, like, subscribe, and comment down below who your favorite My Hero Academia character is, or what your favorite anime of all time is, and who that favorite character is. So thank you guys so much for your support, and I'll hopefully be filming more often again. I know I've been on and off about it, but I am posting on my other social media, so TikTok and Instagram. So make sure to follow those. The links will be down in the description box below. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday season, and let's hope for better things in 2021. Bye, guys.